Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Sovereign Center. Now this is one of the largest and most popular malls in Jamaica. It's located in the heart of Kingston in Ligonier. So we're going to give you a tour of the plaza. Now, Sovereign is a modern 3-level, one-stop shopping center in the heart of Kingston, more specifically Ligonier, in Kingston, Jamaica. It offers a range of brand name stores from Amar's to numerous restaurants as well as 2 cinemas, a freestanding bank and a food court with 10 shops offering a selection of meals. Some popular attractions in and around Sovereign Center include Little Tokyo, Island Grill, Cafe Blue. You have KFC in there. You have, is it Chocolate Dreams? A very nice chocolate factory, pastry store. And you have Sangster's bookstore, and you have a computer store. Very popular mall. And I must say, all the stores in the mall are occupied. There is no empty store. Sovereign is open 7 days a week from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and they have various hours. Besides various shops and stores, the mall features a food court, a cafe, and a supermarket, plus free Wi-Fi for its customers. Now, our official address for Sovereign is 106 Hope Road, Kingston, Jamaica. And I guess the most important store in the mall is the Sovereign supermarket. I'm not sure, we should have mentioned that earlier. And that's the supermarket that we're looking at straight ahead now. Sovereign supermarket. And then to the right of it is Cafe Blue. Now, straight ahead, that is the bank, Sagicor Bank, but it has its own building. It's located in the parking lot. And another good thing about Sovereign is it has a lot of parking. Parking is not a problem. So this is the bank, Sagicor. That's the supermarket coming up now. And this plaza actually has 2 ATMs. The bank has its ATM, and straight ahead is the NCB ATM. And that's Cafe Blue straight ahead. Okay, that's the supermarket. And Cafe Blue is to the right. That's the entrance to Cafe Blue there now, which is a coffee restaurant. It's a local chain, similar to Starbucks. And Sovereign Supermarket is a very popular supermarket in Jamaica. This is a very popular mall. One of the top malls in Jamaica. And it's massive. It's by no means close to the largest mall in Jamaica, which is Fairview, which also happens to be the largest mall in the English-speaking Caribbean. That's in Montego Bay. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.